Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've been doing a little bit of internet shopping, oh dear. Well, it's hot weather and you don't sleep very well and you get up late at night and think, what did I need to order? And then you see something else and then you see something else and then you order it. So I thought you might like to have a look and see what I got. So the first thing that I ordered, if you remember one of my previous videos, I did get these lovely stickers from FG Normal, which were all the flowers and butterflies and everything. They were a PR package and there are 20 different colours, and I think we ended up with about 42 different stickers, so there was a lot of them. And I did say I was going to do a project, and I decided that I'm going to do a flower wreath with them. So I'm going to get those completed, and then I thought, oh, I need some wreaths. Can't find the ones that I had. Possibly I've donated them because I have had a massive clear out. So a smiley Amazon package later, and I've got some wreaths. Yay! So these are actually Barker Ross ones, and there's 6 pieces in here. They're a 10-inch, I believe. I will have a measure. Barker Ross actually is a company I used to deal with quite a bit when I was doing the craft club for the couple of schools that I used to go into, the couple of after school clubs that I used to do, because they do some really good value products for aimed at like schools and craft clubs and things. And they come, you know, in multi-packs and at a very, very reasonable price. I believe I paid about £9 or £10 for these. Oh, I don't even know that I paid that. I'll put the price on the screen, but I know that they worked out really a reasonable price. But if you're looking for any kind of crafts for your children or for yourself to do, even to set up a little small business selling them, or for craft fairs and things, or for school sales, then Barker Ross are really good to go to. And I'm pleased that they sell on Amazon, because obviously you get it next day delivery, and I'm Amazon Prime, so I get it free delivery as well, which is excellent. It saves me ordering it through the catalogue. They are online now, I don't believe, as well, but I've been dealing with them, gosh, must be nearly 20 years. At least 15 years, maybe not quite 20, but at least 15 years since I was first started doing the school craft clubs. I don't do them sadly anymore, I can't do them anymore, but yeah, that used to be good fun. All the kids at the craft clubs. I'll tell you the stories one day. So these are very light MDF wreaths, and they are, looks like they've been laser cut, which is why you get the brown edges, because that's where it's burnt the wood. It's more like plywood actually than MDF. I think this is plywood, very thin plywood, but nice and light, so easy to handle as well. They're a nice size. Okay, I didn't want to get a really big wreath because the flowers aren't huge, but I did think, let me get these open, see if I can do it without ruining my sticker. I have started labelling everything again as well. I am getting a little bit more organised with everything. So yeah, I mean, they're about the largest flowers. So yeah, they're going to be quite a few, and I thought I've got more than enough to do more than one. So I thought I could maybe do the smaller ones on one wreath and the larger ones on another, and then I will be doing the butterflies as well. But I will do this on camera. I think I'll probably diamond paint the flowers first, so that we've got those all completed, and then I'll show you doing the wreaths. I just thought that'd be something a little bit different to do. And these only cost, I think, well, they would have been £3.99, but as I say, I got them as a PR package. But yeah, so this is for that. So we've got 6 of these. Is there 6? 2, 4, 6, yeah. They've already got the hole in the top there, and they did send us some twine to hang them up with as well. So that's brilliant. I'll probably do some of these for Christmas. What I tend to do with Christmas ones is just get a nice ribbon and sort of like line it with a ribbon first. I may even do that with this because I've got loads of ribbons left over from my card making days, crafting days. So just get some stuff used up. But yeah, I can't find, I did have a lot of cardboard ones, but I thought, well, maybe these will be a little bit easier to use, a little bit more substantial. And I'll probably again use an alcohol marker, as I do with my other wreaths, and just colour the edges on these as well. So that's those. That's my first little purchase. Okay. Oops, don't want to go back in the bag now, look. They're saying we're out, it's hot, and we're not going back in. And I am going to put those stickers in with them and keep them all together and put them on my pile of things to do. And if you could see my pile of things to do, it is enormous. So there is lots still to come on the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Right, okay, so now then, this one, I think I may have done a boo-boo. I don't think this is quite what I was wanting to order, but let me get into it. Okay, another Amazon package. And what I wanted to order was an 8-pack of foam board in black, and I think I've got an 8-pack of Mountboard in different colours. But they are Dowleroni, which are an excellent tech company. I've had a lot of their pencils and pens and coloured pencils before, and I know they are top craft companies for your coloured pencils. So I've got ivory, black and ice white. So I'll have to try again on this. Let's have a look at these though. I won't send them back. It's my mistake. And I certainly will be able to use them. It's not like I won't be able to use them. It's just not quite what I wanted. Again, late night ordering. And you think, oh, that's a good price. And, oh, yeah, that's good. And then you get something like this and you think, hey, yeah, that's not quite what I was expecting to order. I don't get it right all the time, but they're a nice size. So we've got 2 of the red. Oh, we've got blue. It didn't say blue on the front, did it? 2 of the like blue, 2 cream and 2 black. So there will actually be quite nice. Oh, no, there's 3 black. So many. Oh, there's only, oh, that's odd. So there's 1. So we've got 2 red, 2 blue, 1 cream and 3 black. Oh, okay. Or is that green? Oh no, we've got 2 black and a green. Right. Okay. So, I mean, they will get used. Possibly. No, they're a bit thick for card making. I won't be the Mountboard. Possibly for backing for pictures to go in frames, albeit I don't really use it for my diamond painting. Just thinking, yeah, I say I'm not going to send them back. I think they were about £10-ish. They are an A3 size, which is what, about your 40 by 30. Let's just give it a quick measure. Oh, I didn't measure the wreaths, did I? And I said I was going to. Okay, I'm blaming the hot weather. Everything's been blamed on the hot weather. So we're about 11 3/4 inches, which is about 29.5 centimetres. So they're not quite 30 by 40 either. They're 3 size, and that is 42 centimetres, which is 16.5 inches. It is quite difficult to cut this. You can cut it with a craft knife and it doesn't really go through a guillotine. It will move unless you've got a really big powerful guillotine. But yeah, so I will be using it. I said, not quite what I expected. Well, not quite what I ordered. Well, no, I did order it, so I can't really say that. So let's just give these a quick measure. I think there were 10. Oh no, they're not. They're 8 1/4 inches, which is 21 centimetres. So they're a nice little size. They're big enough to make a decoration, aren't they? And so I didn't want too big because the flowers aren't that big. Okay. Right, and then this is just a load of fun. This is just some of my silly purchases when I'm late night shopping from AliExpress. Oh, that one's empty. Hubby's already pinched one of these, but when you see them, they just really made me laugh. Okay, so As you can see, they have been opened and looked at because he wanted to decide which one he wanted. But they are little winter padded jackets, look, for cans. Zip up the front. And they're lined so that they're supposed to keep your cans cool. But the thing I like about them is if your can's dripping, it's got perspiration coming down the sides, then it's not going to drip and not going to make a mark if somebody's forgotten to put a mat underneath your drink. But yeah, I just thought they were brilliant. I've got an empty can. It is an empty one because you know what I'm like for spilling. And yeah, they just fit a standard 330ml can. And you just zip him in. Oops, this one's, that's it, the can's got a bit squished. And you can still drink out your can, and you've got little handles as well. But how fab is that? I mean, a little jacket for your can. Oh, I've had the little can covers before, but they were like the rubbery type ones, and eventually they just wear out. I think a friend had bought me some back from my holidays, and yeah, they were great. We did get some when we visited America, but they were too big for our cans because I believe that the American cans are slightly bigger. Ours is a 330ml with them being metric, and I don't know whether the American ones are like a half pint or something like that. So the cans were that little bit bigger. And oh, look at that. It's me saying it's empty and it's not. It's got your eggs in it. Oh, you mucky puppies. Oh dear, spillages. So I've got one exactly the same as this, but it's black with a black zip, and that's the one that hubby chose. So I don't want purple. What do I want purple for? Okay, and then this one is, I believe, black with, this was a slightly different company, and oh, I believe this one is black with a brown zip. Oops, let's get into it. Okay, and again, you look at them and you think, God, can's never going to fit in there. But yeah, and look at this one's even got a little hanger, so you could have your can on your belt or something and just hang it up and take it around with you. But how cute are they? I just, honestly, they're just really, really love. You imagine you just got people around and you just sat drinking out your can and it's got a little coat on. But I think they're fab. And I think that they were only about £2-ish. Sorry, I should have brought my list with all my different prices on, shouldn't I? But yeah, they were, I think I paid less than £10 for the three of them anyway. And I just thought for the bit of fun that they are, but they're practical as well, because they're going to keep your can a little bit cooler. I mean, not brilliantly cool because it's not encased fully. I mean, you could even put your drink bottles in there as well, couldn't you? Yeah, I think they're brilliant, and I like the fact that you can just hold them by the little arms. Aren't they good? Quite well made actually as well. You know, the stitching doesn't look like there's any stitching or anything coming apart. So yeah, love those. Absolutely love those. And then the last little bit that I got, these were only pennies, I think. And these are just some little sunflowers. I do like my sunflowers, and I thought they'll make nice cover minders. You put magnets on the back, or nice little embellishments. They're actually rubber, but yeah, they're just really, really pretty little sunflowers. And I think they were about 36p or something like that. And what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, what about 3 or 4p each? I think they're really pretty, and they're a nice size actually for a cover minder if you get a little magnet just on the back. And yeah, they'll just brighten up your little project. I mean, they could even go, I know they don't match these colours, but ooh, now then, there's a thought. I could make a bee wreath. These are a little bit small though, aren't they? But if you remember, I've got those little teeny tiny bees that I bought from the works as well. Ooh, now then. Oh, look, if you remember, I've got these. These would be quite nice. Actually, you could make these onto the cover minders as well, couldn't you? Yeah, these were from the works, £1.50 for it. It says there's a pack of 30. I've not counted them. Can't even get in them, look. So, yeah. Oh, look, you could put a little bee on it. So you could have a sunflower with a bee on it as a little cover minder. And again, it just cost you pennies to make. Look at that. Oh, that's really sweet. Oh, I'm definitely doing that. Yeah, definitely doing that. That's gorgeous. Little bees. Oh, yeah. So that's my little sunflowers. I didn't think of that actually when I bought them. I just thought, oh, they're really pretty. I love sunflowers. And now I've got my little bees that can go on them as well. You could even put 2 bees on them. No, that's a bit extravagant. But, yeah. So that's my little sunflowers as well. And then finally, we did go on a puffin hunt. And while we were out, I went in one of the little shops and I got myself some diamonds. They're just acrylic. They're not real diamonds. God, could you imagine if you had a diamond that size? I could retire. And I just thought, oh, they're really pretty. And I've got 2 clear, 2 purple, 2 pink and 2 blue. And I just thought, yeah, I've got to have those. It'll be nice for decorations. I may even put them in some little happy sets that I've been sending out to people. Just a few little friends just to cheer them up. And just to say thank you. Just some happy mail that I've been sending out. So, yeah, look at all those. So, let's just give those a quick measure as well. And the sunflowers. Okay, so the sunflowers are, just over an inch, about 1.25 inches, which is 3-ish centimetres. And the diamonds are about the same size, yes. 1.25 inches, which is about 3 centimetres. So, yeah. So you can't really make these into cover minders unless you put them upside down, but they don't look nice upside down. They want to be on show. Oh, imagine having that on your finger, look. Oh yes, I've just got engaged and that's my engagement ring. Yeah, I'm marrying a billionaire. Oh no, I'd want a pink one. I'd want a pink diamond. Yes, I have my beautiful pink diamond ring with my tatty nails. Oh dear. Right, okay, now then, what bag were they in? I've just probably thrown that bag away. Oh no, it's there. Look, it came in a little net. So, yeah. Managed to get into a conversation all about diamond painting as well while I was buying these. I think I've recruited another person to the diamond painting world. Okay, well, just a few little bits and pieces that I thought you might like to see. My crazy shopping trips that I go on. So I hope you've enjoyed this little view of what I go out buying and what goes through my mind. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, if you do subscribe to the channel, costs nothing. It's just literally like a follow, and it just lets you know when any of my videos come out if you press that all notifications button that pops up when you press on subscribe. So thank you ever so much for stopping by. I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.